Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to go over how to download, install and set up Visual Studio Code for Windows. It's really easy, I'll get through this quite quick. If you've got any questions or if anything goes wrong, just feel free to leave them in the comments. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, code.visualstudio.com. Obviously I'll leave the link in the description, but if you can't find it, either just go to that URL or just Google Visual Studio Code and it will be the first thing that comes up. Okay, so once you're on this site, you're going to want to click download for Windows, this big button right here. Now I've already got it downloaded, so I'm just going to run the .exe and it's going to come up with this splash screen here. You're just going to want to accept all of this. Next, unless obviously you want to download it somewhere else, but I'm just going to click next. Next. Here you can create a desktop icon. If I were you, I'll just leave all these as they are, and I'm not going to create a desktop icon, so I'll just leave that blank. Okay, then you just want to click install. It'll take a few minutes. There we go, it's fully installed. We're just going to want to click finish and then it should open up. Okay, so once you're on, you can either open a new file up, open a file, open a folder. I'm going to open a folder. I've got one saved on my desktop, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, so once we've opened up the folder, we can go up here, click new file. Let's say you want to get started doing some HTML. I'll just do this for example, HTML. There we go, it's that easy to get up and started. There is a lot of extensions and plugins for Visual Studio Code. One of my favourites is Prettier, which is just for formatting your code, makes it look a lot nicer. So there you go, it's that easy to get started on Visual Studio Code. Like I said, if you've got any questions, ask them in the comments below and I'll try and answer as many as I can. Okay, thanks for watching.